Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. Time for a new video. Let's get to work. I'm going to show you how to remove the pin on a straight razor. What you'll need: painter's tape, a fine coarse file, you may need a hammer, this is a ball peen hammer, and a punch with a point at the end. You can see that the pin is elevated off of the handles or the scales. This is where you want to file down so that you can pop it out and then remove the blade. But you don't want to damage the handles, so you don't want to hit those with the file. You need to be careful. Remove a small piece of the tape. Just put it right over the pin. Just keep an eye on the tape surrounding the pin in this area here, because if you go off of the pin, you may scratch the handle and you don't want to do that. So if you see it wear just a slight bit on the tape, be careful and get right back on the pin. So start filing, keeping the file flat, and you'll see the tape is worn away. Just keep filing. Every once in a while, just stop and look to make sure you're not going through the tape next to the pin. You can see the tape is still intact. Okay, you can see that right here, the little ring has popped off, the little washer that surrounds the pin. It's stuck to the bottom of the tape right there. Once the ring is removed, you know you can get the pin to slide through. I'll use the tape to provide a hollow spot underneath. Take your punch, center it on the pin, I think we still need to do a little bit more filing to smooth it out. So I'm going to take another piece of tape, put it over, and file just a bit more. Just being careful that you don't go through the tape with the file. You can see I'm getting close to going through the tape, so just being careful. Let's see if we can pop it through. You can see that the pin has gone down into the handle. Now we should be able to pry it out from the other side. I'm using my fingers just so that I won't scratch anything. I'm able to pull it out. There. See, I've removed the pin. There it is. And you can see it's still got a washer on the other side of it. But now you can remove the blade. And if you want to replace the blade or replace the handles on the razor, you just have to install the new handles and repin this portion. I'm back. I hope you enjoyed that. Please like, comment, subscribe, share my videos with your friends. Over 700 videos, shaving and more. If you want to pick up any of these items, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. You can grab them right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.